Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, where we turn everyday money struggles into smart, realistic wins. Be honest, have you ever opened your mail, looked at your bills, and just sighed, wondering how you're going to make it through the month? You're not alone. Times are tough, prices keep going up, and sometimes your paycheck just doesn't stretch far enough. But what if I told you there are real, fast, and totally doable ways to bring in extra cash, not someday, but this week? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Quick cash strategies to cover your bills. These aren't scams. No get-rich-fast nonsense. Just honest, creative ways to boost your income when you need it most. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting for more smart money tips, side hustle ideas, and realistic budgeting motivation. Hit that button now so you don't miss the next video that could change your financial life. All right, let's jump in. Here's something most people overlook. When money is tight, your biggest asset isn't your wallet. It's your creativity. You don't need a business plan or fancy tools to make money fast. You just need to use what's already around you. Start by looking around your home. You've probably got hundreds of dollars worth of unused stuff lying around. Shoes, small appliances, an old phone, even that air fryer collecting dust. Take good photos, post them on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, and boom, you can make instant cash in 24 to 48 hours. I've seen people pull in $100, $200, even $300 in just a weekend from things they didn't even realize had value. Then there's what I call your everyday cash pocket. Those small habits that quietly drain your money, daily snacks, coffees, or subscriptions you forgot about. Start using cash envelopes for food, transport, or entertainment. Pull out a little less than usual and watch how quickly that leftover cash adds up. Even $10 a day saved is $300 a month, enough to cover your phone bill or groceries. If you want something more active, use your phone to make money. Apps like DoorDash, Instacart, and Rover are perfect for quick, flexible gigs. Deliver groceries, walk dogs, help people move furniture. These short tasks can earn you an extra $50 to $100 a day. That's money you can use right away to cover essentials. And if you've got skills, writing, designing, typing, or organizing, you can make even more. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer simple services from home. You don't need to be an expert. People pay for small things like creating Canva graphics, proofreading, or even typing notes. Start small, and you'll be surprised how quickly it grows. Not everyone can go out and hustle, so if you're home most of the time, try quick online tasks. Sites like User Testing, Swagbucks, or Remote Tasks pay for feedback, opinions, and short jobs. It's not huge money, but even $5 to $10 a day adds up to a few hundred each month, enough to take the edge off those bills. If you want even faster results, look local. Offer to help neighbors with errands, cleaning, organizing, babysitting, or yard work. People are always willing to pay for help. A few hours of work could easily bring in $60 to $100. Sometimes the best money opportunities are right in your neighborhood. You just have to speak up. Another overlooked trick? Renting out what you already own. Maybe it's a spare room, a car, or even parking space. Apps like Airbnb, Turo, or JustPark can turn your stuff into steady income. You keep ownership, but it earns you cash while you do nothing. And don't underestimate small side skills. If you're good at tech, offer to fix phones or help set up Wi-Fi for older people. If you like organizing, offer to declutter home for a fee. Most of these jobs don't need credentials, just confidence. People pay for convenience, and you can turn that into quick money. Now, maybe you've got a creative streak. Turn it into profit by making and selling digital products like budgeting templates, trackers, or planners on Etsy. It's one of my favorites because you create once, and it sells again and again. It starts small but can grow into something that supports your bills every month. Even hobbies can pay. Love baking? Sell small snack boxes. Good at crafts? Post your creations online. With social media, you don't need a storefront anymore. You just need consistency. And if you really need something instant, go old school, recycle cans, bottles, or scrap metal. It's simple, fast, and pays in cash. Not glamorous, but it works. Don't forget cashback and reward apps either. Use a Butter, Fetch Rewards, or Rakuten to get cash back for your regular shopping. It might only be a few dollars at a time, but it's money that would have gone to waste otherwise. Here's the key. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 ideas that fit your lifestyle and stick with them for a week. Consistency brings results faster than trying a dozen things at once. Even earning $50 this week is proof that you're in control. When life feels overwhelming, remember, bills don't define you. They are just challenges, and every time you find a creative way to make or save money, you're proving you can adapt, grow, and win. So if you're sitting there thinking, I don't know where to start small. Sell one thing. Deliver one order. Do one small gig. That's how you build confidence. That's how you build control. And that's how you build freedom, $1 at a time. And hey, if this video gave you motivation or even one idea that could help you make extra cash, make sure to subscribe to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting. We share weekly videos on saving money, side hustles, and building a life that feels less stressful and more secure. Because remember, you don't need a big salary to feel financially strong. You just need smart moves, consistency, and a belief that you can create your own income when life gets tough. So take a deep breath, start where you are, and let's keep hustling toward peace of mind, one envelope and $1 at a time.